Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Error 7 in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, perform a clean boot of your PC to reset all background processes. Next, open the command prompt as administrator and type ping 1.1.1.1, then press enter. Note the average ping response. Now type ping 88.8.8 and compare the response times. Whichever has the better result, you'll use that as your DNS. Open Control Panel, go to Network and Sharing Center, and select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active connection and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, then click Properties. Change the DNS to Manual. If 1.11.1 was faster, enter 1.1.11 and 1.1.1. If 8.888 was better, use 8.888 and 8.8 with 4.4. Click OK and save. Now open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Go to Inbound Rules, then create two new port rules, one for TCP and another for UDP using Riot's recommended port ranges. Click on New Rule, select Port, click on TCP, and then enter this TCP value. Then click Next, and finally save the rule with a name of your choice. Similarly, create a UDP rule. Instead of selecting TCP, select UDP, and then enter the required value. Again, save the rule. Next, open CMET again and type ipconfig/flush DNS, then press enter. So, that's basically how you can fix Error 7 in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.